Today we are looking at how we design and renovate this master bedroom and the ensuite. My client had a very hard time with this bedroom. There was a curved wall right here and the other wall had windows. She didn't know where is the best place to even place a bed. I recommended to build the wall and get rid of the curved walls so we have a nice backing for the bed. This would also help with having a sitting area more accessible as well. I custom designed this bed. The wood choices is consistent throughout the house. I wanted the contrast of rich dark espresso brown with the cream custom headboard. I also have wall sconces in each side panels and they are all on a separate switches for more control system. I have USB charger and plugs for charging phone or iPad as well. The plugs and switches are from a brand called Legrand. And they have all these different color plates for their switches and they're very modern and low profile. Some people like to watch TV while they're in bed. So we have this clean minimalistic cupboard on a wall and I have a TV mounted on the arm so it can swing to any direction they want. I didn't want this TV to be a feature. However, I have a feature for this room and that is a gorgeous fireplace. We created this beautiful fireplace with built-in shelves to hold my client decorative selection. The tile that I chose for this fireplace has a wave pattern on it and my lighting enhanced the curved lines. I think every master bedroom would benefit from having a mirror that shows the entire body. My client already had this mirror and we just reframed it to look consistent with the entire house and also the bed frame. The last thing that every master bedroom should have is an organized closet. We had this space and I have built-in organizer based on the client need. Something that I added was the drawer between the rods to just have even more storage for small items such as jewelry or underwear. The first impression is the key. When you open a bathroom door, it is important to see something nice. And the last thing you want to see is a toilet right in front of the door. I have designed this vanity with 2 sinks and lots of storage. The vanity is floating between 2 walls and the LED light built in will enhance that look even more. I've decided to give each of my clients their own storage. We custom designed and built the mirror and have LED behind it to shine on this gorgeous backsplash. Instead of having magnifying mirrors outside to make things a little bit busier, I wanted to store them. I have them in the cupboards and they're hidden just in case if the client wants to use them, it's an easy access. If you notice, the color theme of the house is very earthy and neutral. The space feels very zen. Right in front of the vanity, I have this beautiful freestanding tub, and right beside it, I have a fireplace built in. It feels truly amazing to be in the tub and look at the dancing of the fire flame. If you're in a tub and you want to watch TV, no problem. I figured that out too. Next to the bathtub, I have a heated towel rack installed. We've also installed a fan that plays music as well to help them relaxing even more. We have a good-sized shower with gorgeous pebbles on the floor and a shampoo shelf. And the last thing in this bathroom is a toilet. I chose wall-hung toilet and installed the panel behind it with LED built in. It just finished off this bathroom quite nicely. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe and push the ring button to see all my future videos. Bye now!